DC-DC converter that is responsible for stepping down the input voltage to desired level of output voltage is known as a buck step down converter. In this case, the output voltage is less than input voltage. Inside a buck converter is a semiconductor switch that regulates the output, inductor that stores energy in its magnetic field, a capacitor that filters the output, and a diode. The buck converter regulates output voltage by rapidly switching the transistor on and off. When the transistor switch is closed, that is on state, input voltage is applied directly across the inductor. Inductor current increases and stores energy in its magnetic field. The current flows through the capacitor as well, and hence the capacitor stores the charge. The voltage across the capacitor appears across the load. Diode is reverse biased, blocking current flow. When the transistor switch is open, off state, the input is disconnected from the circuit and the inductor acts as the energy source. The stored inductor energy is transferred to the load through the capacitor. Diode is forward biased, providing a return path. The output voltage is equal to duty cycle multiplied by input voltage. For example, if we are using an input voltage of 48 volt with a duty cycle of 25%, then the output voltage will be equal to 12 volt. That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, do like, share and subscribe to Always. Also press bell icon to get notified.